Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we are making some pumpkin pancakes. It recently turned out to be one of my favorite pancakes. Really nice, moist, perfect for breakfast, or you can even refrigerate it as a healthy snack. Come with me as we make this. In case you can't lay your hands on pumpkin puree, I'll be leaving a link in the description box or in the card above so you can find out how to make this. It's really very easy. I know for sure you will like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share as well. Thank you. So for our pumpkin pancake, we'll be needing some sieved whole wheat flour, a little bit of brown sugar, melted butter, pumpkin puree. I'll be leaving the card above on how to make that in case you can't get one. It's very easy to make at home. Some milk, a little bit of cloves. We won't be using all of that, just a pinch is all we need. Ginger powder, salt, cinnamon, baking soda, and an egg. It's important to note that if you don't have cloves, you can actually omit this and you can make do with whatsoever spices you actually love. Some people use nutmeg, which goes very well. So just a combination of whatsoever spices that you like will go well. Garam masala also goes well with pumpkin pancakes. So whatsoever works for you in terms of spice will work. Just a tiny bit of ginger too could go very well and still make this taste great. So we'll start combining the dry ingredients. So in a dry bowl, I'm going to add our flour. Remember, this has already been sieved. The baking soda, some salt, sugar, cinnamon, a pinch of cloves, ginger. And then we're going to give this a good stir. Stir very well to mix and to combine. I'm going to set this aside now and we'll start combining our wet ingredients. Milk goes in, the egg, pumpkin puree, butter, and then I'm going to give this a really good whisk. So now that our wet ingredients are well combined, in goes our dry ingredients. The flour mixture goes in, and using my whisk I'm going to bring everything together. So your batter tends to be a little bit thick, which is okay. I've been heating up my griddle for some time. You can also use a skillet if you have one. So I'm going to slightly grease my griddle or skillet depending on whatever you're using, and we'll start cooking this. Put some pancake mixture on it that way, trying to get a perfect circle. I'm just using about a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. You know your pancake is ready to be flipped by the time you notice air bubbles on the surface. I'm just going to give this a quick flip. So that's what it looks like by the time it's flipped. I'm going to give it some time to cook on the reverse side. Then we'll finish up cooking and I'll show you how I serve this. So that's how I like to have my pancakes, with some syrup drizzled on top of it and some tea. These pumpkin pancakes are really good. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.